We are looking for blues. We are looking for blues. We are looking for Blues Clues on a lovely day.
A clue.
Yeah, it is great to be outside.
A clue.
Oh, don't worry. We can find clues outside, too.
No, a clue. Right there.
Oh, there is a clue. Right there. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. So, our first clue is shapes. So, I'll start with a circle, and then a shape like the letter X. Then a swirl. There, shapes. So, what could Blue want to play outside with shapes? Do you know? Ooh, that could be it. But I think we better find some more clues.
Uh-oh.
Sounds like Mr. Salt.
A clue. No, a clue.
Oh, you see a clue. Right there, on the grass. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. Right. So, our second clue is grass. So, we draw grass with a line that goes up and down and a line underneath. There, grass. So, what could Blue want to play outside with shapes and grass? Do you know? Ooh, could be, but I think we should probably find our last clue, you know.
Oh, no. A clue.
Yeah. Phew. Fixing the seasons is really hard work.
A clue right there.
Oh, there's something out of place here, too? Is it my hair?
No, a clue.
Oh, yeah. There is a clue just floating around up here in the sky. That means the sky is our third clue. You know what we need? Our handy-dandy notebook. Right. Okay. The sky. Hey, how did Blue reach all the way up there to the sky to... It's impressive. Sky. First a line here for the ground, then my sky blue crayon to color in the blue sky. There. We have all three clues. Hey, we're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Or our thinking rock today.